ever wanted to make a Saint Honoré? This is the video for you. Let's go.
Let's start by bringing your milk and sugar to the boil. Mix that with your egg mixture and boil to ready. When cooked, add your butter and mix till incorporated. Now let this cool in the fridge. Now let's move on to the crunchy part of our pate choux. Start with mixing your butter, sugar and flour. After mixing, roll it out between chill pad or baking paper. And put it in the freezer for later. Now for our pate choux. Start with your milk, salt and sugar and your butter. And bring it to a boil. When it's cooking, add your flour and cook till ready. Should look like this. Transfer this to a bowl and start mixing and add 1 egg. After the first egg is incorporated, add your second one. After this, transfer it to a piping bag. Meanwhile, preheat your oven at 180 degrees. Start with piping nice round dots. And grab the crunchy part that you put in the freezer. Get a nice round cutter and start cutting nice rounds. And add them on top of your pate choux. Bake this for about 25 minutes. Now let's move on to our puff pastry. Start with adding flour, salt and a little bit of your butter. Add your water and start mixing it up. Once mixed, set it aside and let this rest for 30 minutes. After the rest, get your bowl and cut a star in it. We're basically making it like an envelope so you can put your butter in. So all the points, and roll it out a little bit. Grab your remaining refrigerated butter and fold this into your butter. Make sure it's nice and tight. Now grab your rolling pin and start rolling it out. Then fold it in threes. Turn your dough 45 degrees and repeat the process. Repeat the folds and repeat the whole process another 2 times. So in total 4 times. After that, refrigerate it for at least half an hour. Meanwhile, preheat your oven to 200 degrees. After half an hour, grab it from the fridge and roll it out. Make it nice and thick. Make sure it's reeled nice and even. After that, grab a ring and cut out the size you want. Bake this between 2 baking trays for about 20 minutes. Now onto our chantilly. Add your whipped cream, mascarpone, sugar and vanilla to the bowl. Whip this till medium peak. Now transfer this to a piping bag and we're ready to finish this. Start by piping your pastry cream on your puff pastry. After that, fill your pate choux and put them on the puff pastry. And finish the whole thing off with your chantilly. And that is our finished Saint Honoré. How did we do? Let me know in the comments and see you next video.